The agricultural industry is undergoing a revolution with the introduction of 50 cutting-edge machines that are transforming the way farming is done, from drones to robots and everything in between. These machines are increasing efficiency, productivity, and sustainability in agriculture like never before. In this video, we will explore 50 of the most exciting and innovative agriculture machines that are currently in use and how they are changing the face of farming. Whether you are a farmer, a student, or just someone who is interested in technology and agriculture, this video is for you. So sit back, relax, and join us on this journey through the future of farming. John Deere, the iconic American tractor manufacturer, has introduced its latest innovation, the 8R 370 horsepower tractor equipped with the new ExactShot, a precision planting system that promises to change the way crops are planted. The 8R is John Deere's largest and most powerful tractor ever, designed to tackle the toughest jobs on the farm with ease. Its impressive horsepower and torque allow it to pull heavy equipment and plow through tough terrain without breaking a sweat. But it's the ExactShot system that truly sets this tractor apart. This cutting-edge technology allows farmers to plant seeds at the perfect depth and spacing every time, which can significantly improve crop yields and reduce waste. The system uses a camera and sensors to capture images of the seed as it enters the ground, allowing the tractor to make real-time adjustments to ensure optimal planting depth. It also uses AI technology to analyze the images and make planting recommendations to the operator. The new John Deere 8R tractor with ExactShot is a game-changer for farmers looking to increase their efficiency and productivity while reducing waste and improving crop yields. Meet the Farm Boy, a revolutionary piece of farm equipment that is changing the way crops are harvested. The Farm Boy is a self-propelled, fully electric combine harvester that is designed to be nimble and efficient on large farms. With its compact size and advanced technology, the Farm Boy can easily navigate narrow spaces between crops while harvesting at lightning-fast speeds. One of the most significant advantages of the Farm Boy is its ability to harvest crops with minimal grain loss. Its unique harvesting mechanism ensures that every grain is captured and efficiently threshed, reducing waste and maximizing yield. Additionally, the Farm Boy's electric motor powers the harvesting process, eliminating the need for fossil fuels and reducing noise pollution. This innovative farm equipment is a game-changer for farmers looking to improve their harvesting efficiency and reduce waste while operating more sustainably. Introducing the sprayer, the ultimate solution for efficient and effective crop spraying. This cutting-edge machine combines a powerful engine with an advanced spraying system to ensure that fields are sprayed evenly and accurately, reducing waste and improving crop health. The sprayer's engine is specifically designed for heavy-duty use, providing the power necessary to spray crops over large areas quickly and efficiently. Its spraying system is equipped with cutting-edge technology that ensures that the liquid is sprayed evenly and accurately onto the crops, reducing drift and overspray. The boom is also flexible, allowing it to contour to the shape of the field for maximum coverage. The sprayer also features advanced GPS technology that allows farmers to map their fields and create custom spraying plans, ensuring that no area is missed. Whether you're looking to protect your crops from pests or diseases, or simply trying to improve their growth and yield, the sprayer is the perfect solution. Get ready to till your fields faster and more efficiently than ever before with the AllFlex 300. This innovative piece of farm equipment is designed to take your productivity to the next level by allowing you to work at higher speeds without sacrificing quality. The UltraFlex 330 boasts an impressive 330 horsepower engine that provides ample power for all your tillage needs. Its unique time design and aggressive angle of attack allow you to cut through tough soil with ease, minimizing slippage and maximizing traction. You'll be able to cover more acres per hour than ever before, while still achieving the perfect seedbed for optimal crop yields. Don't settle for less when it comes to your tillage needs. The AllFlex 330 is the ultimate solution for farmers who demand the very best in terms of quality, efficiency, and power. Meet the smart farmer's ultimate companion, the Deere TT Sprayer. This top-of-the-line piece of farm equipment is designed to elevate your spraying game to new heights with its impressive 200-foot spraying capabilities. The Deere TT Sprayer is perfect for large fields and commercial farms, allowing you to cover more ground in less time. Its advanced technology ensures that your crops receive the perfect amount of water and nutrients, promoting healthy growth and maximizing yields. The sprayer is also incredibly user-friendly, making it easy to operate and maintain. Its intuitive controls and easy-to-clean design save you valuable time and hassle, allowing you to focus on what matters most, growing your crops. Experience the future of farming with the Deere TT Sprayer and take your farm to the next level. Meet the Sunfarming Solar Tracker, a revolutionary new piece of farm equipment that harnesses the power of the sun to provide farmers with an innovative way to maximize crop yields. This cutting-edge technology consists of solar-powered pivoting arms that move crops throughout the day, ensuring they receive optimal exposure to sunlight. With the increased sunlight, plants grow faster, produce more, and require less water, resulting in higher yields and significant cost savings. The Sunfarming Solar Tracker is easy to install and can be integrated into existing irrigation systems, making it a seamless addition to any farm. Its eco-friendly design means it won't harm the environment, and its durable construction ensures it will last for years. Say goodbye to low yields and high costs, and say hello to the Sunfarming Solar Tracker. Meet the Agrobot, a fully autonomous weeding robot that takes care of one of the most tedious tasks in farming, removing weeds. This innovative piece of farm equipment is equipped with advanced computer vision and machine learning technology that allows it to identify and remove weeds with precision. The Agrobot operates independently, navigating fields and identifying weeds without the need for human intervention, saving farmers time and labor costs. Its unique weeding mechanism ensures that only weeds are removed, leaving crops unharmed. The Agrobot is not only efficient, but also eco-friendly, reducing the need for herbicides and other weed control methods. With the Agrobot, farmers can focus on other aspects of their farming operation, while knowing that their crops are in good hands. Meet the Farm Drone Pro, the ultimate solution for farmers who want to take their operations to the next level. This cutting-edge piece of farm equipment is a multi-rotor drone equipped with advanced sensors and imaging technology that allows farmers to monitor their crops like never before. The Farm Drone Pro can capture high-resolution images and data on various aspects of crop health, allowing farmers to identify issues early on and take timely action. It can detect signs of disease, nutrient deficiencies, and water stress, providing farmers with valuable insights into the health of their crops. The drone is easy to operate and can cover large areas quickly, making crop monitoring more efficient and effective. Farmers can make informed decisions about irrigation, fertilization, and pest control, ultimately improving crop yields and reducing waste. Experience the future of farming with the Farm Drone Pro. Looking for a versatile and efficient way to harvest your crops? Look no further than the Case IH, the ultimate solution for farmers who demand the best. With its powerful engine and advanced harvesting capabilities, the Case IH can handle a wide range of crops with ease. Its flexible header options allow you to switch between corn, soybeans, wheat, and more, making it the perfect choice for diverse farms. The Case IH also features a large fuel tank and extended service intervals, meaning you can work longer hours without taking unnecessary breaks. Its spacious cab and comfortable seating ensure that you stay comfortable and focused while you work. Whether you're a large-scale commercial farmer or a small family farm, the Case IH is the ideal choice for maximizing your harvest and minimizing your costs. Tired of struggling with bulky and inefficient harvesting equipment? Meet the Harvest Cropper, the ultimate solution for farmers who demand the best. With its compact design and powerful performance, the Harvest Cropper is the perfect choice for small to medium-sized farms. Its unique harvesting mechanism allows it to efficiently collect and process crops while minimizing grain loss. The compact design makes it easy to maneuver through tight spaces, while its durable construction ensures it will withstand the toughest harvesting conditions. Say goodbye to wasted time and effort and hello to a more efficient and productive harvest with the Harvest Cropper. Experience the future of farming today. Meet the John Deere 8335R, the ultimate solution for farmers who demand the best. With its powerful engine and advanced technological features, the 8335R is the perfect choice for heavy-duty farming operations. Its impressive horsepower and torque allow it to tackle tough jobs with ease, while its command center display provides an intuitive interface for controlling key functions. The 8335R also features advanced braking and transmission systems that provide smooth and responsive handling, making it easy to operate even in challenging conditions. Whether you're plowing fields, planting crops, or harvesting your latest, the John Deere 8335R is up to the task. Experience the ultimate in farming technology and power with the John Deere 8335R. Meet the Massey Ferguson, the ultimate solution for farmers who demand the best. With its powerful engine and advanced technological features, the Massey Ferguson is the perfect choice for heavy-duty farming operations. Its impressive horsepower and torque allow it to tackle tough jobs with ease, while its comfortable cabin provides a smooth and enjoyable ride. The Massey Ferguson also features advanced braking and transmission systems that provide smooth and responsive handling, making it easy to operate even in challenging conditions. Whether you're plowing fields, planting crops, or harvesting your latest, the Massey Ferguson is up to the task. Experience the ultimate in farming power and comfort with the Massey Ferguson. Looking for a powerful and efficient way to irrigate your crops? Look no further than the Valley Center Pivot, the ultimate solution for farmers who demand the best. With its impressive 135-foot span and 90-foot tall tower, the Valley Center Pivot can cover large areas quickly and efficiently. It features advanced control systems that allow for precise irrigation scheduling and distribution, ensuring that your crops receive the perfect amount of water. The center pivot is also equipped with cutting-edge technology that allows for remote monitoring and control from your smartphone or computer. No matter the size of your farm or the type of crops you grow, the Valley Center Pivot has you covered. Experience the future of irrigation with the Valley Center Pivot.